You will love the features of this 2024 Toyota Camry. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Treat yourself to an inspired driving experience. Get into this industry-leading Camry and savor its blend of luxury, efficiency, power, and style. Our team is standing by to make your test drive fun and easy.